This measurement is the longest segment on the Giza Plateau. Consider that this measurement represents the diameter of the Sun. If the diameter of the Sun were 1,244 meters, then all the other planets would have this measurement. Earth would have a diameter of 11.3 meters. The last stage of the first satellite pyramid of Menkaure is very close to 11.3 meters.
The longest segment of Giza, compared to the shortest, equals the difference in perfect proportion between the Earth and the Sun. If the diameter of the Sun is 1,244 meters, that of Jupiter is 124.6 meters. Here is a perfect representation in proportion between the Earth, the Sun, and Jupiter. Neptune would have 43.9 meters. This distance is very close to 43.9 meters. So it represents Neptune, in proportion with very high precision. Saturn would have a diameter of 103.7 meters. This distance represents the diameter of Saturn. Uranus would have a diameter of 45.2 meters. This is a perfectly accurate illustration of the difference in proportion between all the planets larger than Earth in our solar system.
This is a plan of Menkaure. Understand that it is a multiple connection between the golden ratio, the number pi, the speed of light, and half of the solar system. This goes far beyond fiction. To answer Stan, this is what I do and I can do it infinitely. Look at that. If the diameter of the Sun were 5,008 meters, that of the Earth would be 45.8 meters. This is an extremely precise representation in proportion of the Earth and the Sun. Not enough? Then watch this. I am creating the next part just for your demonstration. Teotihuacan, Mexico. If the Sun's diameter were 2,240 meters, the Earth's would be 20.5 meters. This gives a very precise proportion between the Earth and the Sun. Jupiter's diameter would measure 225 meters. The pyramid of the sun represents Jupiter in perfect proportion, and the speed of light in water crosses this distance 1 million times per second. Neptune diameter would measure 79.4 meters. This is the beginning of the code, my personal seal, and it represents Neptune in proportion, while Jupiter represents the speed of light. Here, Stan, you must make a choice. Contradict undeniable facts based on verifiable measurements, or accept the clear proof of my paranormal godly powers. Your decision will have a major impact on history.